Look, I just had a flood and there's like bass swimming in my driveway. Fish, oh, where did it go? Oh, there's one. See? I never knew my pond had fish in it. It's a little messy here. I saw water coming off the county road right there. Here's water coming out of the overflow on the pond. Hang on, hard to focus with this thing. Oh look, there's more. You might just grab them, you know. Here, see? Cute, huh? Let me help them back in the pond. I like having fish in my pond. Ah, they're kind of slippery. Can't believe there's so many. Uh-oh, there's ivy. Yeah, it's still kind of... Yeah, look at this water, man. Get a lot of rain. Oh, there you go, little fish. Let me see if I can focus on you. There you go. A little upside down here, but that's it. Alive and well. You throw it in the pond. There you go. Good deed done, I hope. Hopefully that'll help.